I know you have been looking for AI tools that can turn your images into long animated videos. And I also have received a lot of questions from my students and in the comment sections of my videos a whole lot of time. Says, how do I turn my images into long form videos and not just short clips? So in today's video, I have come to respond to that particular question. So I'll be showing you different AI tools that can turn your image into videos and not just short videos, into long form videos.
Are you excited?
Of course I am. Let's jump straight into it. Let's see these AI tools, what they can do and how they can do this. Let's start with this first one. Let's see how it is.
Alright, so right now let's start with this app right here. This is the image we'll be using for the whole apps, alright? And this is the prompt. Hi, I'm Success. Let's see if this app can make me talk easily.
Thank you for watching from Dominion Global TV. Please subscribe for more.
We'll be checking out is
Thank you for watching from Dominion Global TV. Please subscribe for more.
So this is it right here. So you simply tap on it, tap on imagine, so we import the picture. Alright, so I have imported the picture and right now Grok is animating the picture. Once you bring in any image at all, it will automatically animate the picture. So right now, let me go and copy my prompt so that once it's done animating, we'll make it talk and see how perfect Grok is. So right here, I'll copy my prompt from ChatGPT. Right, I will copy and head over to Grok. Right, so now let me paste the prompt and send it. Now it's generating the video, right? It will count from 1 to 100 and then it will generate. So let's wait for it. Right, so Grok right now is done with everything but the animation and making the image to talk. So let's see what it gave us. Are you ready?
Hi, I'm Success. Let's see if this app can make me talk. Hi, I'm Success. Let's see if this app can make me talk. Hi, I'm Success. Let's see if this app can make me talk.
Okay, so this is it for Grok. This is what Grok can do. This is Grok. So this is the app right here. This is Grok. So this is it right here.
So now we have seen this and I don't know what to think about this first one, but let me know in the comments if you think this AI tool is worth it. Let's check out the second tool.
So the next app is Video AI. Alright, so once you come to your browser, type Video. Alright, make sure that this is in desktop side right here. Then you click on AI video generator. This is how the interface looks like. Alright, you just have to scroll up a bit. Alright, then you see this right here. Click on this one avatar and it will bring out this image and show you what you have generated with this particular app. Right, so simply click on character, upload from device, and then we'll upload our image right here. Now the image is here in Video AI. Alright, you cannot just drop your text right here, you have to convert it to audio. So now we have to go and convert our text to audio, then we'll bring in the audio right here. So right now let's use Google AI Studio. So here in Google right here, so here in your Chrome you type Google AI Studio. I have made a full video on how to use this particular Google AI Studio, so we'll do that real quick. Here I'll click on turn text into audio, right, because this is why we are here. So right now I'll paste my prompt. This is all that I want to do right here. I'll make sure it's in female voice.
Ready to build something awesome today?
Now I'll just click on run for it to generate immediately.
Hi, I'm Success. Let's see if this app can make me talk.
Alright, so it's done. I'll just tap on these 3 dots right here and download into my phone, and now I'll open it.
Hi, I'm Success. Let's see if this app can make me talk.
Alright, so right now in one.video, we will now click on audio and upload from device, right? Right now we already have our audio, so let's import it. I'll click on photos and videos. This particular audio is the one that we generated right now, and of course we know we made it very short, and now one is not showing this, which means we cannot upload it into one.video AI because it's not up to 15 seconds, which is accept. So I'll go back to Google AI Studio right now and regenerate. First of all, I'll use ChatGPT, a 15-second audio, and then I will make it talk immediately. Then we'll come back to this particular tutorial. Alright, so right now let me click on audio and upload from device, photos and videos. As you can see right now, my audio is almost 15 seconds, right? So it has nothing to trim. I'll just click on confirm. So right now our audio is here and our video is here. I'll simply click on generate. Our video is generating right now. Alright, so our video is now ready, right? One.video have generated our video. So, but the thing in this app is that it gives you little credits. You can generate not more than 2 to 3 videos, and it's just 15 seconds. Alright, so let's see the video that it generated. Let's see how good that it is. And also it takes time. Unless you subscribe to it, this AI tool takes time before it makes your image a video, right? To make your image to talk, it takes a whole lot of time. Alright, let's play the video.
Hi, I'm Success. Let's see if this app can make me talk very easily. Wow, this is amazing. With just one picture, I can smile, talk, and sound real. AI is really cool, right? Hi, I'm Success. Let's see if this app can make me talk very easily. Wow, this is amazing. With just one picture, I can smile, talk, and sound real. AI is really cool, right?
Alright, so what do you think about this second one? Is it okay? You can rate it this way. Let me know in the comment section if it is good, fair, or just there. Please be fair with your rating, So now let's check out the third one.
This one is Dream Face. So right now in Dream Face, this app actually has a lot. In fact, all the apps actually have a lot. Maybe one day I will talk about it one after the other, right? But make your image talk here in Dream Face. Simply tap on talk/sing, which is avatar right here, right? The avatar, that is to make your images to talk. Click on this plus sign and import the image that you want to make talk. With the image right here, what avatar to say or sing, click on it, and then you can paste the prompt that we want the avatar to read, right? What you want the avatar to say. If you want to choose your own voice, trust me, you can click on my voice, then add your own voice right here. But for this one, I'll choose this female Grace and confirm. So once you do this, you click on animate. So this AI tool doesn't really take time. Once it's done, let's see how its animated video looks like. So this is what Dreamface generated.
Talk. If this app can make me talk.
I don't want to tell you to rate the third one because I don't know if you really like it, but I think it's good. I think it's very good. But before we judge, let's see the fourth one.
For this one, simply go to your browser and type LipSync AI. This is LipSync AI right here, and then choose this one right here. Tap on these 3 lines. You see these 4 options right here below the English, which says LipSync Tools, AI Video Tools, AI Image Tools. Click on LipSync Tools. Once you tap on the drop down, it will give you several options, which you already know that we are going for the talking photo, right? Because we want to make our photo to talk. So right now, as you can see, talking photo is highlighted right here. All you need to do is to tap here and of course import the photo that we are working with, which is this one, and then tap on done. It won't take time to generate, alright? Make sure to put it in talking photo 1.0, and then right here we paste our prompt. You simply paste your prompt, right? So this is our test right here, and right here you see trustworthy man. You have to scroll right, tap on this arrow right here, Now it will bring out options for you to choose the particular voice that you want the image to come out with. This trustworthy man was selected by default. Let's use the calm woman. Then you click on confirm. Now that's all you need to do. Simply tap on generate, and once you tap on generate, it will bring out this thing right here which says create success. Simply tap on this my creations. Then this is what it will bring out for you, and once it's done, you see your video right here generated, and it doesn't take.
Thank you for watching from Dominion Global TV. Please subscribe for more. Thank you for watching from Dominion Global TV. Please subscribe for more.
Make me talk. Hi, I'm Success. Let's see if this app can make me talk.
Now, this fourth one, I would like you to rate it from 1 to 10. So now, I won't be the one to tell you the one I think is the best.
Hi, I'm Success. Let's see if this app can make me talk very easily. Wow, this is amazing. With just one picture, I can smile, talk, and sound real. AI is really cool, right?
Hi, I'm Success. Let's see if this app can make me talk. Hi, I'm Success. Let's see if this app can make me talk.
Hi, I'm Success. Let's see if this app can make me talk. Hi, I'm Success. Let's see if this app can make me talk.
Hi, I'm Success. Let's see if this app can make me talk. Hi, I'm Success. Let's see if this app can make me talk.
But now you have seen these free AI tools. Let me know in the comments which one you love and why you like it. And also, which one will you consider subscribing to? You can start creating your faceless videos, because these AI tools are actually very easy to use. I wish you all the best, and I am Success, and I wish you success.
If you are blessed, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel now. Thanks!